Camp Zama held its annual Fire Prevention Week, October 5th through the 10th, on U.S. Army Garrison Japan installations. To kick off the event, USAG Japan firefighters and inspectors displayed various firefighting equipment, allowing community members to get hands-on experience and to reinforce the importance of fire safety.
This year's theme for Fire Prevention Week is Plan and Practice Your Escape, which means to have your home and work fire escape plan ready and practice it with your family and your coworkers. People might think it is unlikely for a fire to occur in their house, but you never know when and how it can happen. So an observance like Fire Prevention Week is a great opportunity to practice evacuating in the event of a fire, including your fire escape plan. It is also a good opportunity to review your family meetup place and to know all relevant emergency numbers.
During Fire Prevention Week, firefighters and inspectors from the USAG Japan Directorate of Emergency Services visited Camp Zama's Child Development Center to teach children fire safety tips, including the stop, drop, and roll technique. Meanwhile, personnel conducted evacuation and fire extinguisher drills at numerous facilities on Camp Zama, Sagami General Depot, and Yokohama North Dock.
It's my first time doing an evacuation drill here. It went really smoothly. Everybody came out in a fast and orderly time, and I think it worked really well.
Today's training and evacuation drill went very well. I think no one ever thinks of dealing with a fire when they come to work every day or just doing, going about their daily lives. So this is a good reminder to all of us that a fire can happen at any time, and we should always be ready to sound the fire alarm or put out the fire with a fire extinguisher.
I think the Fire Prevention Week was a success. It not only taught my kids how to act in a fire, but where to go and where to escape in case there was a fire. I think those are important lessons that little kids can learn.
Fire Prevention Week was established in 1925 to commemorate the Great Chicago Fire. It is the longest-running public health and safety observance on record and offers community members a way to increase their fire safety awareness.
Fire safety should be something that everybody thinks about every day. It's something that's preventable in a lot of cases with power overloads, unattended cooking, or the misuse of open flame devices such as matches, candles, and lighters. So having a focus on fire prevention this week allows us to remind folks to be fire safe. And it also allows them an opportunity to interact with our firefighters, that they're out there in the community helping out and being ready to protect them in case they need the response.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison Japan, this is Dustin Perry.